Hello, social media, and welcome to Lakita T. Sharp's Inspirational Minute. Hello, babies. Well, I am the author of Unstoppable, so check out my book. I want to say that when my husband go all day without connecting to me or sending me a message or at least communicating with me, I miss him very much and I want to connect with him. I want to hear his voice. I want to experience him. I want to be connected to him, and that bothers me when I don't hear from him. Now, let me tell you this. Are you going all day without connecting to God and talking to God? God is missing you. He wants to hear from